Howdy, howdy. So I'm working on my little hot rod project. I'm gonna get my headers bolted up, buckled up, and this stuff's starting to get cheap. This is throttle body that I'm doing. That stuff's starting to get cheap. These gaskets weren't but $9, $9. But here's my first problem. I'm running tall valve covers because I got roller tip rockers under there. I'll show them here after a while, whatever. But I don't know if you can see. I'm horrible at this. I have no room between the booster. I went up to Summit, and I think they got one for $50, a smaller diameter dual diaphragm. So I think it's like $50. That ain't no biggie. But yeah, I got a couple things I'm gonna try to do on this. He's coming way further along on his, but his is simpler than mine. Not simpler, but I'm putting mine on the road. He's putting his on the track. Yeah, he's got a throwdown motor right here. It's a little Project Blazenator. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You walk in the shop, there's two hot rods, a black one and a white one. Team Salt and Pepper, baby. Team Salt and Pepper. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm go ahead and get the control arms knocked off. I'm gonna go ahead and put all new bushings and get it done up right. Oh, y'all see? I don't know if y'all can still see this. Y'all see that red that's still under there? That's under that black? You know what that is? That's Ford blood. That's Ford blood. All right, I got some work to do. We're going to have some sandwiches real quick before our hands get all greasy. All right, thank ya. Project Blazenator.